Play Pibaro, Ipinang Pi, Sapiyit Kami, but Kikubo, Baman Kasi.
So today the decision we taken in the review meeting, I am to inform that decision has been taken again. Number one, lockdown will continue in East Khasils district. Lockdown will continue till next Monday, 5 a.m. morning. During the lockdown, again, let me just tell you, few restrictions are lifted. Number one, banks and post offices will be allowed to open with a limited employees. Bank and post office will be allowed to function with limited employees. Home delivery will continue, and the next point is construction site where the employees or the laborers stays within that campus, within that premises, this activity also will be allowed to function in their respective campus or premises. However, we will not allow any laborers or employees to move out of such premises or campus. Instruction will be issued accordingly to the employers of such construction activities by the deputy commissioners. And I would like to request those employers, those contractors to adhere the SOPs, the protocols to be issued by the district administration. Again, essential commodity shop will be again continue to open with strict SOP, and especially we would like to encourage those essential shops located in the respective locality with close understanding, coordination from the government and the local authority, the Rangbashnong, the Committee Shnong. We would like to encourage that such shops can be kept open during the lockdown. Next decision we taken today relating to the remaining subjects of class 12 examination. Today we decided to postpone again this exam, and we have already instructed Education Department to again issue notification accordingly to the respective students who suppose to complete their remaining subjects during these few days. And again, the next decision we've taken today, the weekend lockdown, which was imposed since last night at 10 a.m., will also continue throughout the state. From 10 p.m. of every Friday up to 5 a.m. of every Monday will continue in the entire state. During the lockdown in East Khasis, and also when the restriction is in place in different parts of the state, government has taken a decision. 2 activities is allowed. Number 1, 100 days activities under MRNEGA, and number 2, farming activities is allowed throughout the state, not only in East Khasis, throughout the state, but strict adherence of SOP has to be followed. Why we have taken this decision? Because, as I've already told you, the situation is so serious and very, very grim. Therefore, I would request all the citizens of the district, East Khasis, to bear and to be with us together in fighting the COVID-19.